Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is that season again, so today we are going to be unboxing my FAB FIT FUN box. But before we go on, if you guys see this makeup look I've got going on right now, I did just film a full face using dollar store only makeup featuring a lot of Believe Beauty products. So if you want to see that, I will link it below if that video is up already. If it's not, then I'll just link it below when it is. So with that being said, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button before you leave. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. And give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of seasonal unboxings. And we'll just get right into it. So here is what this month's box looks like from the outside. Super cute. I'm gonna put it rested on my lap like this, and I will show you guys the inside. So it comes nicely wrapped up. Everything's sliding, I can hear it. It has the magazine on top, which I will have to use for reference. It has a code for getting $15 off your first box, so I will put that link for that code in the description box in case you guys want to order this box and save some money. I don't get any commission off of it. I don't make any money. I just, you know, would let you save some money. And then a HelloFresh $80 gift card. So we're going to use the magazine, go through it, and I'm just going to peel this tissue paper back. Alright, so the first thing I see on the top, I think I remember seeing this from the selections. It is the Cut from the Cloth wallet. It's in the wrapper, but I will unwrap it. Let me find it on the page here. It retails for, this retails for $60. So let's open her up and see what it looks like. Comes in one of those little duster bags, so I'll probably keep that to keep it nice and clean and throw away this plastic. So this is what it looks like, black on white stripes, so it's very versatile. Okay, I like this. This is nice. Where does the cash go? Down there. That's not very huge, but it has a strip so you can put all your credit cards and then a little cash strip here. So that's nice. I guess someone like me would probably get good use out of this because you can't put too much stuff in it and overload it. So that's nice. Let's move on to the next product. The next product is from Skin Love. Skinvolve. This is what it looks like, so you can see it looks almost like Love, but it's not. Okay, it is a body boosting gel. It tones, firms, and smooths. Let's see how much this retails for. $45. It says formulated with green tea, ginseng, and menthol. The pre-workout gel targets problem areas to give you tighter, smoother skin. Well, that's pretty cool. Yes, it has a seal on it. I'm going to take off the seal and kind of smell it and see what it smells like. Because I will definitely get use out of something like this. Oh, it definitely smells very mentholy. It's very, very mentholy smelling. But I will definitely get some good use out of this. Can't believe it costs that much, but that's okay. Next up, because I see it on the same page, I am going to grab out the Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relaxer Roller Ball. It doesn't necessarily say a scent, but this is what the box looks like. I'm guessing it is just a little roller ball. It costs $29. It says zen out wherever you are with this relaxing blend of Vitavert, chamomile, and sandalwood. Okay, so I guess there's just one scent that everyone gets, so let's smell it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little on. I haven't put on any perfume today. Kind of not really wanting to roll very well. It definitely smells like essential oils, so It smells fresh. It definitely smells like how when you put your oils in your diffuser at your house and just let it go for a while, even when you change scents, it kind of like all comes together and smells like one. This is what that smells like. Okay, next up, because I also see it on the same page, this is the COSMEDIX Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. It's a little thing here, and I believe it is a little powder because it has like a little twisty thing. Yep, it's a little like powder in here. I can't really show you without it like tipping over, but you see like there's a little hole so you can get a lot or just a little bit. Let's see. Nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% pure ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. And this costs $54 for this little tiny thing. I've never even heard of this brand, but $54. Next thing I'm going to pull out is something that makes me super excited, and I see it on this page. It is the Amika hair straightener. It comes in this little orange pouch. Let's see, what does this retail for? Amika Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. Have a good hair day every day with the 100% ceramic plates. Generate safe and even heat for shiny, smooth hair. Shipping restrictions may apply. Okay, that didn't apply, I guess, but it costs $80, which is a fair price for a nice straightener. I haven't taken it out of the bag or looked at it or anything. It comes with some instructions, which I will hold on to. Okay, I thought it was going to be more orange, but it's like a pretty like coral pink color. That is nice. The flat iron I'm using right now is a Paul Mitchell flat iron, and I've been using it for years, so it's definitely time to upgrade. And this one's a little bit smaller too, so look at that. That is super, super nice. All right, I guess I'm going to have to move to the next page for what is left. Okay, so the next thing up are these Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. They look like this. I really want to smell them because Juice Cleanse smells really good to me. Let's see how much these are. They're Harper and Ari Exfoliating Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. I guess Juice Cleanse is a scent. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate, nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. And these retail for $16. I want to touch one of them. Oh, they feel almost like gummies. Like they're getting like sugar over my hand, but you see like it's squishy kind of. I'm going to use one for sure when I take a shower next. I already took a shower today, but maybe 2 showers will be good. They smell like melon, like straight melon out of the freaking garden type melon. Oh my gosh, smells so good. So, so good. Okay, I see the last 2 objects that I got. I think it's the last 2 things in here, yeah, that I got are on the same page. The next up is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. It looks like this. I love getting new hair products. It says infused with quinine protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees, and this retails for $30. Let's give her a sniff. Ooh. Doesn't really smell too strong, but that's kind of a good thing, I guess, because if you're using a few different hair products like someone like myself, I don't know if you guys saw my hair product haul. I'll link that below too if it's up yet. But you know, I put a few things in my hair, like a leave-in conditioner and then a heat protector and then a this and then maybe some of that. And you know, if you have too many scents going on at once, it's not a good thing. Okay, last but not least, it looks like a body souffle from Humankind Skincare with a Conscience. So I guess it's probably like a clean beauty brand. Let's see how much this cost. It is the Humankind Body Souffle. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. And this retails for $18. It said it's vegan and cruelty-free and natural, or 97.2% natural. So I guess there could be some things in there that are not all the way natural. Let's see if I can take this off and smell it without ruining the packaging. I'm very sensitive when it comes to lotion, so if I can't end up using this, then I will just pass it on. Let me put a little bit on my hands right now. Okay, it smells nice. It's very light, so I feel like if it's honestly all natural, I could probably get away with using it because I do have eczema prone skin, and if I use scented products like a Bath and Body Works scented lotion, I would break out all over the place and it would not be good for me. So I'm going to quickly tally up the grand total of this month's box and I will be right back. So the grand total for this month's box, everything all added together, is $332. You guys like my little unicorn pen? It still has the tag on it. I'll take that off because I'm, well, you know, but this is what it looks like, a little unicorn guy. But anyway, $332, okay? Do you guys think it's worth that? I feel like you get a lot for the $49.99 you're paying it's 4 times a year that you get this box, so you're paying for it. It's like a seasonal box, so you're getting a big bang for your buck. My only thing is I like makeup more so than I do like random, like I don't need a wallet, a hair straightener, like I can go buy if I want one and I want to just be surprised with one. Sometimes I've been really impressed with some of the products, but I've never had one box where I've loved every single thing. So for me, I'm kind of like debating, should I cancel and then get a different subscription and try that for a while? But I feel like if the second, I swear, the second that I cancel, there's going to be something freaking amazing in this box and I'm going to want it so bad. It always works like that. So anyway, leave me in the comments below. Just let me know, do you think this box is worth it? Do you get Fab Fit Fun? What'd you get in your box? I want to see. I did enjoy this box very much. I will honestly say that. I'll get use out of everything I got, so it was worth it for me for $49 to get $332. Just the straightener alone and the Aveda hair care product, I'll use that on a at least weekly basis because I only wash my hair like once a week, but I will get that use out of that like snap of a finger. But yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I will see you guys on the next one, and do not forget to subscribe before you leave. I love you guys. See you next time. Bye.